In today's session, we focus solely on the installation of Docker on CentOS using specifically chosen RPM packages. Our curated selection from Docker's official repository ensures a seamless setup designed for CentOS 7. We begin by downloading a set of pivotal RPM files directly from the official Docker repository. These include containerd.io, the Docker Builds plugin, the Docker Engine Community Edition, the CLI Rootless Extras, Compose plugin, and the Docker Scan plugin. Proceeding with careful precision, we utilize the wget command to retrieve each package. This is the crucial first step in constructing the robust infrastructure Docker promises. With our components in place, we command yum install to embark on the installation process. Each package melds into our system, forging the solid foundation necessary for Docker's operation.
As the installation completes, we affirm our success by invoking Docker version. This command not just verifies the installation but epitomizes the readiness of Docker on our CentOS system. To solidify our setup, we instruct the system to start and enable Docker, a strategic movement setting the stage for Docker to launch automatically with every system boot. We revisit Docker version one more time to double-check the precise execution of our installation. Let's confirm that our Docker installation is functioning as it should. We'll do this by pulling and running the Hello World image, a straightforward yet effective way to verify our setup. We start by pulling the Hello World image from Docker Hub. It's a small image, designed for a quick test. With the image now downloaded, we proceed to run it. The expected Hello World message appears in the terminal. This output means Docker is installed and running correctly on our system. And there you have it, Docker is set up and ready for your future containerization projects. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing and leave your comments below. Until next time.